HIV/AIDS spread in Jakarta. Many people still don't know about HIV/AIDS was spread in Jakarta. HIV/AIDS continues to rise in Jakarta, and also AIDS is a dangerous disease that attacks the immune system. According to Bernhard from AIDS Foundation Jakarta, there are 32,782 people who got HIV and 7,477 who got AIDS, and there has an increasing rate of infection in Jakarta. In Jakarta, based on data in Ministry of Health, there are 32,782 who got HIV and 7,477 who got AIDS. People who have AIDS disease mostly in group of housewives because the existence of sexual relation between men and women, and government should be assisted by community to solve this problem. Andrian from AIDS Foundation in Jakarta states that government is there to support, but it don't affect to us. In fact, it's not only government who has to support this problem, but also public figure and mass media has to be involved to support this AIDS disease besides counseling from AIDS Foundation. Finally, AIDS disease will increase and they cannot predict about increasing or decreasing of AIDS because it depends on the community to support and combat this AIDS problem in the future.